This is for class 9 mathematics, chapter 2 polynomial. So for the chapter 2 you have to know the few basic things so that you can solve the problems in chapter 2. You can solve all the exercise in chapter 2 after knowing only 3 things in this chapter, that is about polynomial and 2 more theorems, that is one is about remainder theorem and another is about factor theorems. You have to know about these 3 things, then you can solve all the problems in this chapter. First, let us know about polynomial. In simple, polynomial is an algebraic expression whose power of the variable are non-negative integer. Say for example, it is just a algebraic expression and this power of the variable, you see the power of this x variable is 2, power of this x variable is 1. That means these are non-negative integer. Non-negative integer means this power is not negative. It is 2, it is 1. And it is also a polynomial because the power of the variable is 1. That is a non-negative integer. This is also can consider as a polynomial. In this algebraic expression, power of the variable is non-negative integer, that is 1. And also we can consider this 5 as a polynomial because it is also an algebraic expression, because this 5 we can rewrite like this. 5 can rewrite as it is 5 into x to the power 0. We know x to the power 0 equal to 1 and 1 into 5 is 5. So 5 can rewrite as 5 into x to the power 0. And power of this variable is non-negative. It is not a negative integer. 0 is not a negative integer. So just 5 is also can consider as a polynomial, Now come to the next point, that is remainder theorem. You have to know this remainder theorem. Okay, in simple I'll explain you the remainder theorem. If a remainder theorem means it is like that. This theorem says if a polynomial with at least degree 1, suppose the px is a polynomial and if it is divided by a binomial x minus a, where a is a real number, suppose a is a real number, any real number. So I'll repeat again, if a polynomial is divided by a binomial, then the remainder will be pa. You will understand with the help of example. Suppose this is the px polynomial with variable x, and it is divided by a binomial x minus 2. Then we can get a remainder. Without divide you can get a remainder very easily. That is, the remainder is p2, means this 2 you bring here, p2 means in this polynomial in place of x you just replace the 2. So x square plus 2x plus 7, x square plus 2x plus 7, x is replaced with 2, p2. That's why x is replaced with 2, and you just calculate it, you will get 15. So 15 is the remainder. If this polynomial is divided by this binomial, then you will get a remainder 15. Now you try to understand the factor theorem. Next come to the factor theorem. Factor theorem says that if px, that is it is a polynomial, is a non-zero polynomial, if px is a non-zero polynomial and pa equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px. So you can understand easily with the help of example. Suppose this is a px means polynomial with x variable. This is a polynomial. This is a polynomial. And in place of x, if I replace 3 and if I replace 3, then the polynomial will express like this. X is replaced with 3, x is replaced with 3. After calculate, if you get 0, then what we can confirm is that, then we can say x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial according to factor theorem. We can say easily that is x minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. So you will be more clear when you practice these things in your exercise. Thank you.